716. I'm hearing in 717. Ashe. And Spirit say read it one sentence at a time. Come on now. 716. Your angels are helping you to feel rejuvenated and connected at this time. 717. Your magic is being unlocked. 716. This energy of replenishment is required as your next steps will require focus and dedication. You are in a magical portal which will allow you to manifest, come on now, your dreams. Ashe, ashe, ashe. This is the calm before the storm. Come on now, Spirit. Stay in alignment with your highest thoughts and feelings in order to usher in big magical changes. Woo! On a Monday.